Alright guys, this is my progress so far. Cleaned all the stuff. And let's open this guy. Bow, 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 bow. Shoot. That's nasty. Oh, this smells real bad here. I think the smell here is not from this mud, it's from the toilet. Because it smells really bad. Ooh, this door is messed up already. The way you can see it's. Can't save the door. Or can I? I guess I can. Gotta wipe all this, man. It's so bad, guys. I feel like giving up, but let's go look at the other. I did notice the floor here is not good. Something's not good here. So that's not good, guys. Not good at all. So let's go show you all my trash. Oh, there's a lot of trash in there. Check it out. This was nice. Something nice I found, but it might not work though. I did not find that. I found this. Now, so we're gonna go and check some out. What's in this department right here, guys? Here it is. All you guys were waiting for this. Oh man, let's check this out. It's full of crap in there. So this was expensive. We got something expensive here. It's pretty useful. Let's go deeper. Floaty wants to float. This guy is, I believe, for the. Let's slide out. That's good. We got it. Another one. What do we have here? See this? This is like clay. It's crazy. All right. Let's open this up, and there'll be gold here. Oh, this looks nasty, guys. This looks. Ooh, that was very slimy. Oh man, this is nasty. That's garbage for sure. That's duct tape, guys. Screwdriver. All the handyman do. Still got some water. So this guy is still fresh out of the water. So I hope this guy pays it off. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, what's this? What's it got? LED lights? Whatever this does. I believe this one is for the, how you call it, for the, I believe for the jack. Yes. So this one needs to be stayed here. A lot of plumbing. They really like hoses, guys. Check this. I really like hoses. There's a bunch of hoses. Oh wow, they got level here. That should be in the box. This is garbage. That's right there. This guy needs to be with the trailer. Man, my hand is so dirty, guys. Oh, that's like some heavy duty thing. It's a lead free. whatever this is. Lots of mud. See what's in this bag. Man, these guys are no joke, campers. We got all the stuff for camping. What's in this bag? Oh man, this is so nasty. The way it feels like, it's like slimy. It's not good feeling, you know. Zip ties and screws, which we don't need. Might use that lights or something. Man, I think this guy had this trailer flooded not long ago, because this guy feels like it's got some American flag. Ugh. Throw it there. Another Stula. We'll open up later. Man, they do that. They're like lights. Man, that's some deep, scary hole here. I use this stick right here. Try to get, or use the other one here. No. Alright guys, this is all of the stuff was in this department. Alright, so here you go. This axle was not in there, so just so you know. It is smelling very horrible. This is day one, guys. I'll be updating you guys what I'm gonna do with the floor. Countertop doesn't look good at all. It looks like it's floating. This guy's sticking out pretty bad, which is could be still kept. But yeah, on this side it looks good, but this other side doesn't look good. So we gotta have a lot of work to be done here, and we'll swim. This duck probably swim. Frog was swimming and got in this pond of dirt. Alright guys, it's a nice day outside, and thanks for watching. And yeah, the slide out works just fine, no problem at all. So keep you posted why I'm gonna be doing it and how it's gonna turn out, and we'll see from there. Thanks guys, take care.